Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Simon Promotes Art. And today we will learn about establishing shot. What is an establishing shot? Well, let's find out. The establishing shot is normally a wide shot. It is the opening shot of a scene that tells us where we are. In other words, establishing shot shows us the location and the time, but also creates the mood and tone for the scene. To understand more, let's have a look at this Lion King's opening scene. We see a wide field of view, silhouette of trees, tints and shades of blue towards the horizon line, a subtle orange color in the sky makes audience perceive and feel that it's an early morning scene. And when the sun rises with a song, it confirms the location and time of the scene. And after a cut, we see a rhino which confirms the audience that yes, they are experiencing jungle life on the screen. Now, let's create one more example for you. Imagine the scene heading in the script might be exterior of a police station in daytime. This might consist of a wide shot of police station's building, and then we cut to a shot of a police officer at his desk. We know where we are, right? Inside the police station. I hope you understood by now about the establishing shot. If you still have any doubts, you can always write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe my channel to support me and to motivate me so I can make more tutorials and informational videos for you. Now before we leave, let's see some more example of establishing shot.